Welcome to Interiopedia, your guide to next-level interior design. If you're passionate about creating stylish, smart, and soulful spaces, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're exploring one of the hottest trends of 2025, Ascent wall designs, and how wallpaper and lighting are transforming modern homes like never before. Ascent wall designs in 2025 are not just a trend, they are the identity of modern homes. These statement walls are now the canvas where design, technology, and personality come together. This year's designs focus on multifunctionality, visual drama, and emotional comfort, all while being eco-conscious. Two major elements defining 2025 Ascent walls are wallpaper and lighting. Let's start with wallpaper. In 2025, it's no longer just a decorative print, it's a sensory experience. Think 3D textured wallpapers, metallic sheens, and eco-friendly natural fiber designs like cork, bamboo, or linen-based paper. Smart wallpapers embedded with thermosensitive inks or color-shifting pigments are also gaining popularity, subtly changing tone based on lighting and room temperature. Botanical prints, geometric illusions, and abstract murals are among the top choices, especially in spaces like bedrooms, living rooms, and home offices. Wallpaper now serves as both artwork and backdrop, transforming plain walls into immersive storytelling surfaces. Next comes lighting, which is no longer an afterthought. It's the hero of wall design. Modern Ascent walls integrate hidden LED strips, backlit panels, and even gesture-controlled lights. Fluted wooden or stone textures are being paired with linear uplighting to create soft shadows and highlights that evolve with the time of day. For entertainment zones, RGB lighting with smart controls creates a dynamic ambiance, while in bedrooms, warm, indirect lighting behind wall panels promotes calm and relaxation. These lights not only elevate aesthetics, but also improve well-being and functionality. Beyond wallpaper and lighting, Ascent walls in 2025 feature mixed materials like wood, concrete, acoustic felt, and moss for a tactile and layered feel. Homeowners are blending tech and nature, with green walls and interactive digital panels coexisting in harmony. Whether you want to create a cozy reading nook, a high-tech gaming den, or a calming meditation corner, Ascent walls are now the key to vertical space storytelling. And they're more personalized, efficient, and stylish than ever before. If this video sparked new ideas for your dream walls, give it a like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Interiopedia for more game-changing design tips. Until next time, keep imagining, keep creating, and let your walls speak your style.